Alright, if you are watching this video, it's because you already watched part 1 and you feel really confident about sending emails, and email is all set up in your iPad. If it's not set up or for some reason got deleted over the summer, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set it up all over in your iPad and get you set up so that you can send some emails at the end of the lesson. So, here we go. So you're going to tap in the icon that says self-service, and it looks like this. That is your first step. The second step is, or next, you're going to tap on SPPS apps, and you're going to look for the email profile, and you are going to tap install. Then you're going to go and tap and go back home. The icon for that app looks just like this right here, like a little envelope. You're going to click on it, you're going to tap install, and then you're going to go back home. Once you're home, you're going to tap on the Mail app, which looks like this again. It's a little envelope. And then you're going to type in SPPS apps your email and password, and then you're going to tap OK. So you should type in your email and password. Then you are going to tap inbox or mailboxes in the top left corner right here. You will know you've been successful when you see all of the mailboxes right here on the left hand side. Then you'll be able to tap home and you will be all ready to go. Or you're going to stay in the app and you are going to start a new email by clicking on this little icon up here on the right side of your screen at the very top, which looks like a little pencil on top of a little square. And I'll do it right here. So your task for today, once you're ready to go, your task is to write an email to me again, telling me about your family, telling me a little bit about yourself and how your summer was. And then you are going to write an email to one of your teachers from last year. That could be Miss Sal, that could be Miss Hoheisel, that could be Ms. Ramos, that could be any of your teachers that you had, and you're going to tell them that how your summer was this past summer. And then lastly, you're going to write you're going to write an email to one of your classmates just to say hello. You can ask them questions or just talk about anything you would like to share with them. At the end, you will take a screenshot of your sent box, which is one of these emails right here. One of the mailboxes right here. You're going to take a screenshot and you're going to submit it by the end of the lesson. If you have any questions about your password, if it's not correct, you can call this phone number. It is 651-767-8347, or you can send an email to this email right here, family.engagement@spps.org, and you can send that from another device. Or you can call Highland Park Middle School and ask them for the correct email or password. I believe they'll be able to give it to you. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your emails.